Hey there, Sunshine. So here I am today trying a new subscription box on my channel. Here in my hands today, I have a jewelry subscription box called Lux or Love. So I don't remember pricing about this subscription box. I'm terrible. And I did go ahead and get the card out of this month's bag. And it says, please enjoy the coupon code EarringVIP30 to receive 30% off of their online store. But I was hoping for a little card that'd be like, oh, hey, like here's the value of everything inside of this month's box. So with that said, let's go ahead and get into it. What I pulled out are these two tiny little boxes, and I'm excited because sometimes small things are great things. These are so cute. I have little grapes. Oh my gosh, I'm legit so freaking hyped right now. Look, it's gonna match my makeup and I didn't even know, honestly. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna put these in real quick. I have on grape earrings and I am so excited. Earrings like these are like the stuff that I hope to get in my Earfleek subscription, but I never actually do. Like these are so amazing. I can't hear any of the haters over my grape earrings, and it matches my makeup. This is not intentional at all. Okay, and then there's another box. I'm already so sad to see the subscription box ending. Oh my gosh. Hold up. Oh my gosh. Okay, I have never seen earrings like this ever. Look how gorgeous these are. Oh my gosh, I'm not even doing them justice. Okay, so we have this little gold rectangle thing and it's hammered. And then we have this clear bead that has like white and glittery gold in the middle. And then we have this like amber bead. I'm gonna see if I can just maybe do that and it'll focus a little bit better. Do you guys see how absolutely beautiful these earrings are? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna take this one out because you can't really see that side of my head that well. Okay, the grape earrings are so fun, but these are beautiful. It's like the perfect combination of like fancy and quirky, because like I want earrings like these all the time because I mean I don't dress fancy too much, but these are beautiful. I've never seen earrings like these ever. Okay, I'm so sad that this subscription is like done. Like these are so beautiful. I wish I had like a stockpile of this subscription here next to me so we could just like go through all of the beautiful earrings that they choose. But yes, oh my gosh. Okay, like I'm so excited right now. So that is everything that I received in my Lux or Love subscription box. I honestly cannot wait for another month. I am so excited. So what did you guys think of this box, and what other subscription boxes would you like to see me unbox on my channel? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.